Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about another Java problem. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So the problem statement is, take the array of size n and their values from user and find pairs whose sum is odd. Like what you have to find? Pairs whose sum is odd. For example, we are having n is equal to 2, right? We are having n is equal to 2, and I have given the user inputs 1 and 2. So with the 1 and 2, we are having the pairs 1, comma 2 and 2, comma 1, right? Right? So in this, you have to find, like when you add these two numbers, you have to get odd number. See, 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 is odd number. So you have to include this pair and you have to print this pair. And the next one, 2 plus 1, 3. So it is also odd number. You have to include this pair and you have to print this pair. So whenever you find a pair with, while adding these two numbers, when you find odd number, then you have to print that pair in the output. In the output. I hope you understand the problem, right? You have to just print the, like when you add these two numbers, when you got odd number, then you have to just print that pair. That's it. Simple. I hope you understand the problem statement. So now I'll just write the code, which is import java dot little dot star, right? And after that, I'll write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and int n is equal to sc dot next int arr is equal to new int of size n, and for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, right? So I just have to read the values in the array. So by using the statement, air of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? So after that, you have to write for if int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and after that, after write in int j is equal to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus, right? Right? So I'm using this nested loop. So when I is equal to 0, I'll give 1, and I have to check, I have to make the all the pairs with the array, like all the numbers which are present in the array. So you have to, like whenever you give 1, when I is equal to 0, so with 1 you have to give, like you have to make the pairs with the rest of the numbers in the array, right? So for the thing, I'm using the nested for loop. I hope you understand, right? So after that, I have to add the air of I and air of j, right? I have to add it, right? So we got add, like we got the addition, and you have to do modulus with 2, and it is not equal to 0, right? Whenever you add a number, and what that number is, when you do modulus with 2 with that number, and you got not equal to 0, right? That is a odd number. That is a odd number, right? Right? So if you want even numbers, you have to write equal to, right? That's it, right? So when you do equal to, it's an even number. If it is not equal to 0, it's an odd number, right? So we got the pair, all the pairs, which is odd, which is odd pairs. So I'll just have to print it, pair of j, right? So I'll just run this program now. So now I will give 5. So we'll take the odd pairs, right? So now I'll just click on enter. Then you will get the odd pairs, right? 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 5 is 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 7, and 9, right? So these are the odd pairs. These are the odd pairs. And if you want even pairs, you just have to remove the not equal to and you have to write equal to. Then you will get the odd pairs. See, I'll give 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and click on enter. Then you'll get all the odd pairs, all the all the even pairs, or all the even pairs. So I hope you understand the problem. I hope you understand the problem. And if you have any doubts in this problem, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.